All right, this is 167 to sum, the second version, where the input array is sorted already. It's sorted in non-decreasing order, meaning ascending order. And you're supposed to find two numbers that add up to a specific target, and you're supposed to return the indexes, and you're supposed to add one to that index. So essentially, if it's at 0 and then 1, you want to return 1 and then 2. So you add 1 to those two indices. And then 2 and 7, they add up to 9, so then you return those. That's pretty much all you need to know for this question. And to solve it, we want to use 2 pointers. For this particular question, we want a left and right pointer, right? We want a left pointer, a right pointer. And then we want to set the left pointer all the way to the left, right? And then the right pointer, we want to set it to all the way to the right. So length of numbers minus 1. That would equal to, in this case, 15, right? Let's use this as an example. Let's do this. So that's our array, right? That's our input array right now. And our target is 9, right? And so what we want to do is we want to keep running this. We want to loop through this until we find the target. And how we're going to do this is while the left pointer is less than the right pointer, right? So that they don't, in this case, the left doesn't go past the right, and then we have an index out of bounds. So we keep it until they touch each other. Well, first we want to check if the left pointer and the right pointer are equal to each other, are equal to the target, right? So we do this by if numbers, and then let's do this, we copy numbers at left, right, plus the numbers at right, at the right pointer, and then is equal to the target. If it is, then we just return the indices plus 1, as we said at the beginning. So we return an array of numbers, right? We're returning a list of integers. So numbers at the left pointer, plus 1, right? And then we return numbers at right. Actually, we're not returning the actual value. We're just returning left plus 1 and the right plus 1, right? Because we're returning the indexes, not the actual values. And so now we have numbers. So essentially we have the left pointer here. Oops, we have the left pointer here and then the right pointer here. Now, if you add these together, 15 plus 2, it's 17. So it's greater than this. What do we want to do? We want to decrease the right until we get to the actual value. So now 11 plus 2 is 13, and then 13 is still greater. So we want to decrease this. Now 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, and that's correct. So essentially we want to keep doing this, but if it's in the case that it's too small, then we just increase left, right? We do the opposite. So how we do this is if, well, let's just copy this. If numbers at left plus right greater than target, right? Then we decrease right. So right minus equals 1. And then else we just increase left. So left plus equals 1. And that should be it, because then we just do this check and then it loops back here and then checks if it's equal to the target. Let's run it. There you go. Oops. Let's get the result here. Well, that's how it runs. It should run correctly. There you go. That is 167 to sum, the second version, and here's the code so you can look at it. Thank you.